ARI Wallet is transitioning to something really huge, and it is imperative that you complete this particular task where you are going to submit your EVM wallet and submit your username on Discord, your username on Twitter, in all. So in this video, I'm actually going to be walking you through how to go about this seamlessly. And you have to note that this is a necessity, because if you miss this particular phase, then you are not going to be positioned for the airdrop. So if you have friends who have participated in this particular mining of ARI cryptocurrencies, then you have to send this video to them so they don't miss out on this opportunity. The first thing you have to do is to find out if your ARI Wallet application is up to date. If your app is not up to date, you might likely not see this particular countdown on your phone. All you have to do is to go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and then you update your application. Once you are done with that, the next thing you want to do is to launch the application. And then you click on Submit your tax proof. Then you submit your EVM wallet address. So what is EVM? EVM is short for Ethereum Virtual Machine. So in other words, your EVM wallet address simply means a cryptocurrency wallet that is a Web3 cryptocurrency wallet. So the likes of MetaMask, Trust Wallet, OKX Wallet, Binance Wallet, Bybit Wallet. So all these wallet, I do not mean maybe your wallet address on maybe your Bybit exchange, your Binance exchange, your Bitgate exchange. I mean wallet address from the Web3 wallet of these platforms. So in order not to complicate things, just make sure you use either your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask wallet for this particular task. And if you don't have them, just go to Google or Apple App Store and download the application. So in this regard, I'm going to be using my Trust Wallet, and for me to get my wallet address, all I have to do is to launch my Trust Wallet. And then the next thing I want to do is to click on Fund. The next thing I want to do is to click on Crypto Wallet. So I'm going to click on Crypto Wallet, and then I'm going to look for Ethereum Wallet, so which is actually the second on the list. Then I'm going to click on this copy button, and then you can see address copied. Then I'll go, and then I'm going to paste it here. The next thing you want to do is to submit your Discord username. All you have to do, if you don't have a Discord, just go create an account, right? All you have to do is to head over to your Discord, and then you are going to click on You at the bottom right corner. So under your name on Discord, you are going to find your username. So alternatively, you can click on the settings button at the top right corner, and then you are going to see accounts, and then you are going to see username. You can just click on it, and then you can just simply come here and then you copy your username. So I'm going to click on copy, then I'm going to go back to ARI Wallet, then I'm going to paste my username. The next thing I want to do is to provide my Twitter username or X. So I'm going to click, and then I'm going to type Jacob's Review. So if you are yet to follow me on Twitter, do well to do so. Right, so once you are done with this, the next thing you want to do is to cross-check if all the details are correct. If they are, just simply click on Verify, and then you click on Submit. So task proof submitted successfully. To complete your proof submission, enter the same information: wallet address, Discord handle, and Twitter handle using your submitted Discord username. So I'm going to click on Go to Home. And the good part is that you can always edit this particular information if you made a mistake in the process of submitting them. So now we are going to head to Discord. So I'm going to open Discord. In order to join ARI Wallet Discord server, all you have to do is to go to their Twitter, or you are going to find the link in the description of this video. Just click on the link and it's going to take you to their Discord server. So I'm going to go to X, and then I'm going to search for ARI Chain. Then I'm going to click on the link on their bio. Then I'm going to click on ARI Discord. I'm going to click on Accept Invites. I have to update my Discord, okay? Go to server, go to ARI Chat. Under the message query, you type /, then you are going to see ARI account registration bot. Then you click on it and you send it. Then here you are going to fill all the details you provided on the application. So the first one is Ethereum wallet address. Second one is your Twitter handle. And then the last one, this time we are actually going to be submitting your ARI wallet address. So we are going to go back to ARI application, and then we are going to click on receive. Then we copy the wallet address, we go back to ARI Wallet, and then we paste it. We click on submit, and it is as simple as that. If you have any difficulty in the process of trying to complete this particular task, do well to drop your questions in the comments below. And for prompt response, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, Digital Swap. You are going to find the link in the description as well as the comments below. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button for more crypto related content and tutorials like this one. If you want to make money from the crypto market but you don't have enough capital for trading, then you can get the capital from Hash Hedge. And if you don't know how, just make sure you watch this video that you just see on your screen, and you are going to learn everything step by step. I hope this helps. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends who had participated in ARI Wallet. And for more crypto airdrops, make sure you join our Telegram channel and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.